Okay, so I'm going to show you how to enable right-clicking right off the bat, because we'll be using that. Now, I'm using a MacBook Pro, but I can talk you through how to do it on an iMac or Mac Pro or Mac Mini. So what you want to do is get into System Preferences, if not in your dock, Apple System Preferences. Now on iMac MacBook, or no, an iMac Mac Pro Xserve, and did I say Mac Mini? It's going to be different. There will be a picture of a mouse right here. Then both of these will say primary clicking, but what you want to do is over here you want to click that and a list will come down and you want to choose the one that says secondary clicking. Okay? Now on MacBooks, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, you want to click on this trackpad and then enable this secondary clicking or secondary click, sorry, excuse me. You can choose bottom left or bottom right. Since it's right, I would want the bottom right. Also, in here you can adjust your touch gestures, which I'm not going to do anything with that. Close out of that. Now, I'm going to show you your dock. Now, a lot of people don't know is you can actually change the position of your dock. You can go into System Preferences and do this, but the easiest way to do this is to right-click on the little separator here, and there will be Position, and you can choose either left or right. I like mine on the left side. And also, people don't know is you can actually make your dock larger or smaller by just going onto here and dragging it which way you want. I like my dock kind of small and to the left, so there we go. Next, you can also change the background, System Preferences. This is also where you're going to change your screensaver. Okay, so right click your desktop, click on Change Desktop Background. This will pop up and you can choose any desktop, and notice it changes the entire desktop when you click on them. Also, you can have it change the picture every so often. Is now available. Sorry, I checked. You can change it every 5 seconds, log on, wake up, whatever. I'm going to have mine set to every minute because 5 seconds really gets on my nerves. Also, I'm going to have it reset to randomize it. Also make the menu bar transparent or non-transparent. Also, if you click on any of these, you can choose from there, but you can also select it so it will randomize the folders. You can also create new folders with your own desktop pictures, whatever. Okay, change your screensaver. Just click on this screensaver tab, and there's multiple ones. If you scroll down even more, there you go. Okay, so you can choose any of those and it will change it. You can even add your own. Okay, but I'm just going to use, I'm okay with Flurry, but sometimes I just want it to randomize it. Okay, you can click Test and it will give you a preview of a screensaver. Now, you can also change whenever you want it to go off. I'm going to choose 3 minutes. Okay, hot corners. This, if you click this, you can change what each corner does. Like up here, I can get into all of my windows. Dashboard, if I go down here. Start screensaver. Quick way to lock it, which I'll show you in a minute. And then you can also choose any others. Okay, show all. Anything else in here? Yes, security. Now go into System Preferences and click on Security. You can have it set to require password every blah 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 after screensaver. You can also change firewall settings and the file vault. Then there's all this other stuff that you can edit if you are administrator, and this is unlocked. But I'm not administrator, so I can't show you those. Notice how the desktop picture just changed. Anything else? Okay. Expose and spaces. Enable spaces, click this. Show spaces in menu bar, this right here. Okay. You can add rows, columns, subtract them, whatever. You can also assign certain applications to go into each space. If you want, you can set these settings right here. Like if you press F2, it will, if you press the function key and F2, it will bring you into spaces. And then I'll show you some other stuff in a second. Arrow keys to navigate, or you can just press Command and any of the numbers. Let's see how many you can have up to 16 spaces. I just need 4. Okay. So I'm just gonna open up a couple apps and show you the spaces tool. Open up Safari, Pandora. Just close that. Mail. Let's go ahead and open up iMovie, VMware Fusion, iPhone Simulator, Xcode, and Interface Builder. Now you're probably going to think, why am I opening up all of these different things? Well, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use spaces. So I'm just going to press function key F2 and just watch. I can drag any of these into a space. Notice if I drag it outside, it will put it right back into the one it was in. So this goes over here, so does that, because I'm right in an iPhone app. Movie I'm working on down here. VMware Fusion for VMs, and let's just have this one for fun. Okay, now you can also rearrange spaces for how important they are to you. Okay, so I'm just going to open up this one with the iPhone simulator. Now let's say I wanted to change. Well, I could sure go up to here and choose which space I want. But what I can also do is press Command 4 and it will take me back to any space. Now, also, I could do is use the arrow keys. Okay. So I'm just going to minimize this since I'm done with spaces for now. Now, what I want to show you is you can actually change the icon sizes. Default, these are a little bigger because I just changed these for you. This is also so I can talk. That will be a different time. I think it's set to 12. Okay, so I can go in here and change the size of everything. Just icon size I can make smaller. I like my icons about 32 by 32. I can also change how far apart I want them. Like them about there. You can also have them show info right down here. But I don't like that. You can also set so they automatically arrange. I like to have them rearranged by kind. You can also change there and it will put all of the information on the right side. Okay? I'm just going to leave it like that because I like that a little better. Notice my background just changed again. And that's basically it for this tutorial. There will be more coming soon. And thanks for watching.